Hey, what's up guys, Paco here, and welcome back to a new episode of Trading with Paco. Today, I was thinking of what episode to produce, and I thought maybe I could do something about history as my last episode was more on a trading method. But then I found out about this new trading method, which I think is very, very interesting because it has a lot of action. You will be trading continuously during your session, and I think that this makes it a lot more fun than maybe other trades methods where they are a bit more passive. But before we begin, I wanted to wish every one of you watching a happy new year, and I really hope that 2021 will bring us more luck than 2020 did. Before we begin though, also I would like to remind you guys to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and remember to turn on the notifications because even in 2021 I will keep producing new videos every Sunday. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Scalp trading. So what is scalp trading? Well, scalp trading is entering and exiting a position several times a day very quickly to make very small profits. So scalp traders usually act at the release of a news event that could influence and alter the market. This is when they act to enter and exit many positions very quickly, even in the range of a few minutes to make small profits. So when we talk about scalp trading, we might tend to compare it to day trading because, as I said in my earlier episode, even that includes a lot of action and a lot of entering and exiting in short periods of time. Before we continue, though, if you don't know what day trading is, I suggest that you go watch my video on day trading, which is on my channel. That will give you all the necessary information that you will need to understand even this episode. Let's get back. So, scalp trading and day trading are not the same because day trading involves a full day and you will enter and exit the position once or twice a day. Of course, you'll want to enter and exit it during the same day to avoid overnight risk, but you will still only do it once or twice and hold whatever commodity you bought for even a few hours. This is very quick, of course, compared to other trading methods, but scalpers are even quicker because, as I said, they will enter and exit trade in minutes. So when we're looking at scalp traders and profit they make, it might seem very, very miserable. Some of them make pips, which is percentages of a penny. It's not even a full penny, which if you look at it from this perspective, it might seem that they don't make money at all. But when you scalp trade a lot, you make many, many profits, which all add up to a pretty significant amount. And it could actually be impressive what a good scalp trader can do in just a day or trading session. So when we analyze this type of trading method compared to the others, we will of course want to see the pros and cons. Well, the first positive is that of course there is no overnight risk because of course scalp traders do not hold overnight, and as I said, the only trades only last a few minutes maximum. So of course you will avoid this risk, which might seem insignificant, but actually many trades usually fail because of the overnight risk, of the overnight shift in price, which is something that you avoid using this trading method, which is a very big positive. Another positive is the immense amount, I would say, of trading opportunities that you have, because scalp traders only hold positions for 1 or 2 minutes a maximum, meaning that compared to other trading methods and strategies, you have a lot more time to act, meaning that there's many opportunities to move on and trade on and make even more profits, especially when, as I said, a big news is released and the market is altered by it. So it's important to act in that moment to make your profit using this specific method. Just like every single trading method that I've covered earlier in this series, scalp trading does have some drawbacks. One of them being how difficult and what a tense environment it is. Because you will be monitoring the smallest and slightest price movement, meaning that looking for a profitable commodity can be extremely tense and it could be very difficult, which is why it is not suggested for beginners. For example, if I wanted to trade today, I'm of course a beginner, just as maybe some of you guys watching, meaning that maybe this trading method is not suggested for me. And another reason for this is that a small mistake could actually destroy, I would say, all your profits. Why is that? Because scalp trading basically involves in making many actions in a very short period of time. But if one of these, maybe you entered too early or too late and you lose money, this loss can actually be more than all the other profits that you made during the day. This is something that you cannot avoid with scalp trading because you will be entering and exiting many times throughout the day. So this is a risk that you have to accept when using this specific method. Another drawback of this trading method is the limited market applicability. This means that scalp trading only works in very particular markets, such as cryptocurrencies, bonds, and some equities in the United States. This is because scalp trading requires high volatility. If not, entering and exiting in just a few minutes would be simply useless. This is a limit which may heavily influence the utility of this trading method compared to others, which I've covered in other video, because not everyone likes trading in these specific markets, and they can also be a bit riskier than other markets, where instead less volatile. Well, so this would actually be the ninth episode of my series. My series is actually becoming quite a big compilation of videos. So just a reminder that you can go watch all the videos because I don't only cover trading methods, I also cover other historic events such as the Great Depression. So if you're interested on that, you can go watch my videos on my channel. They're always there. And also if you want to know about other trading methods such as day trading and swing trading, you can go on my channel and then you can compare these methods if you want to start actually trading and see which one actually works best for you. Of course, feel free to comment any feedback that you might have on this episode and also on the series in general in the comment section below. I always appreciate comments, even constructive criticism. And yeah, if you want something to be covered, you can just let me know in the comment section. Or if you just want to, tell me something to improve the lighting, the audio, I'm always open to comments because I am learning with you. This is my first experience on YouTube, and so your comments really help me. Also, supportive comments, they motivate me to release videos every week. I always appreciate those type of comments. They're my favorite. So thank you for everyone that supported me in 2020. Keep that mentality in 2021 because I will, of course, keep going with this series and I will continue to release weekly. We have now arrived at the end of this week's episode. I hope that you really enjoyed it. These types of episodes are always very interesting because it's actually what I had in mind for my series, covering many trading methods. But I think that also history is very fun and very interesting. So most likely, my next episode will be covering another historic aspect, possibly a crisis that happened. I don't know, maybe. What I will do is I will put actually a poll in my YouTube channel where you guys can vote which topic I will cover in my next episodes. Let me know if you would like that. Well, without further ado, thanks for watching. As I said, subscribe, like, and comment, and see you next time.